In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify and secure your crypto using the Phantom wallet. First, let's start by opening your Phantom application. Make sure you're logged into your account, as this will ensure you have access to all the necessary features and settings. Once you're on the home page, take a moment to familiarize yourself with what you see. Here, you can view your current balance, all the tokens you own, and the primary features available to you. These include receiving, sending, swapping, and buying cryptocurrencies. An important aspect of receiving funds is having your public address handy. To find it, simply click on the Receive button. This will display a list of all your coins. By clicking on the specific coin you wish to receive, you'll be presented with a QR code alongside the address for that particular currency. Go ahead and copy this address. This is what your sender will need in order to transfer coins to you. Now, ensuring the security of your wallet is equally important. Let's navigate to your profile for this. Click on your profile icon and then tap on the Settings option. Within the Settings menu, you will notice several features, but our focus will be on security and privacy. This section contains everything you need to make your wallet secure. Here, there are options to change your password and reset your PIN, among other security measures. However, one of the most crucial features for securing your wallet is managing your recovery phrase. By clicking on the option related to your recovery phrase, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Once you've done that, you can view and copy your recovery phrase. It's essential to save this in a secure location, such as a protected file or a safe physical space. Remember, this recovery phrase is incredibly sensitive. It's essentially the key to accessing your wallet. If someone else gains access to it, they can access your crypto holdings. Therefore, treat it with the utmost caution and ensure that no one else knows what it is or where it's stored. By following these steps, you not only streamline the process of receiving cryptocurrency, but also establish critical protocols to keep your digital assets protected. This balance of functionality and security is vital for anyone operating in the world of crypto. Thank you for watching, and make sure to follow these instructions carefully to maintain a secure and efficient crypto transaction experience.